David Herpin, and today I'm going to be making the Stinger. The Stinger is a very, very old vintage cocktail. It dates to the late uh, 19th century, when it's believed to date to the early 20th century. Now, this drink's ingredients have never been disputed. It's been the same recipe, but however, the preparation technique involved in making it is much different than it was when the drink was. It's much different today than it was when the drink was created. Now, this drink is served Pouce Cafe style, and is it? There's no definite location of origin associated with it. However, it is very popular here in New Orleans. It is very popular here in the South, and its name derives from a horse stinger, which is a vast improvement on the plow. It was a better shaped arc that went into the ground and plowed up dirt much more efficiently. So this drink really didn't begin to be published in cocktail books until about 1891, and then throughout to 1899. It picked up a lot of steam in 1910. I don't know, some like popular event happened or whatever, but that's when it was published literally hundreds of times from 1910 to about 1913. And it was originally layered, and that was a very popular preparation technique at the time, was to layer drinks, especially in 1890. So, it's here in New Orleans where the drink may have derived from. There are at least 6 ice houses in 1837, so ice was available, but the popularity of the preparation technique and the given ingredients suggest that this drink was indeed layered at the time of its creation. So that's what we're going to make today. A real simple stinger. So we're going to use creme de menthe, which also was widely available at the time. In fact, creme de menthe is one of the first nationally available liqueurs that was throughout most bars in America. So it's really, really, really an old classic liqueur. We'll just use about an ounce. And then we're going to carefully layer the brandy on top. Now with this one, you can use a bar spoon, but again, if you have a steady hand and it's just a shot glass and 2 ingredients, it shouldn't be hard just to layer like that. And here you go, Stinger.